Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing a full power off. This is essential because safe mode won't launch from rest mode. Make sure the system's white/orange lights are off and grab a wired USB cable and your controller. Once done, keep the console on the surface and ready. You'll need a clear, uninterrupted button press sequence next. This step prevents the system from booting normally and sets you up to trigger the special second beep that opens safe mode. You now perform the core trigger. Press and hold the Ps4 power button. Listen for a first beep, then continue holding until you hear a distinct second beep at about 7 seconds. Release immediately after that second beep. Next, connect the dual shock with the USB cable directly to the console. Wireless won't register. Finally, press the PS button on that wired controller. This step tells the system to accept input and display the safe mode menu on screen. You now see the safe mode menu. Choose the option that matches your goal. For most stability problems, select Rebuild Database to scan and reorganize files without wiping your main data. If you need updates, choose Update System Software. For severe issues, init Ps4 will reset the system but erase data, so back up first. If nothing appears or the controller won't connect, make sure the USB cable is data capable and try a full power cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.